What's going on, guys? I'm proud to say that I'm finally ready to buy my first Turo car. This has been something I've been waiting for a while, almost 2 years. Started trying to do this car search back in like 2022, really 2023, because the car prices have been high for the last 3 or 4 years, brought on by the pandemic, and so it wasn't really a good car market to buy in. So I wanted to wait longer because the prices of cars would go down, and then I wouldn't have to suffer with that, what I'm going to call invisible depreciation, because the car would lose value in my hands from the price of the car market or cars readjusting again or getting back to normality. So now, being 2024, car market and car price are going back to just about the regular normal. I was really just waiting for the right time, right opportunity, and right car. Go ahead and go get the car. And so that time is now. So I'm actually about to go pick this car up now, and I'm going to reveal what it is, and I'm going to talk to you about it. All right, let's go pick this car up. All right, you guys ready for the review? All righty, here we go. This is a 2020 Chevy Spark with 75,000 miles, give or take. I got this yesterday from a guy who was selling it on Facebook Marketplace, and let me tell you a few things that I'll say appreciated about this guy that was selling it. So the guy, for the most part, as what most people seem to say on Facebook Marketplace, is that he took care of it. And what I mean by take care of it, I mean like he was actually able to at least decently show that he took care of it. For example, on a car like this, it's a Chevy Jatco transmission. Those are the transmissions that are in Nissans. And if you know, Jatco transmissions are not very reliable, or they blow up fast, or they just have a whole bunch of problems that can make them very fragile. For example, he said that he changed the transmission fluid in the car around 6,000 miles. And because I'm buying this car for Turo, I verified that by checking the Carfax. So there was a lot of things on the Carfax that was done that was actually shown that he took care of it. It said brakes, tires, spark plugs. And so overall, the car looks very good, in good condition. No wheel rash, just brake dust. I'm going to clean that up when I do clean up. Brake dust, it just looks good. But I'm going to tell you another reason why I bought this car, which is going to take me to this OBD sensor as well. And the one thing I like about this OBD scanner was that if you go to what we're going to call number of warm-ups since diagnostic trouble codes cleared and distance since diagnostic trouble codes cleared, this shows me right here that if there were, say, a problem on the car, that the seller didn't just clear the code, or clearing the code with, say, an OBD scanner and just try to sell it to me. This to me shows me that there is nothing too high, but there's nothing to really be hidden. Now, I don't know if there is something to not be hidden yet. I've only been driving this car for about 2 days. I'm still in doubt and belief that I just bought a really good car and that this car is problem free. That is some reasons to why I bought it, and I felt more confident in buying this car. Now, this car has not been touched. I've only been driving it for about maybe a day. I've not driven it that much. It looks really clean on the inside. Had no concerns or so with it. Very clean, very small. But in terms of Turo, this is what I think the Turo market is going to want. So very small, subcompact, economic. You get what you get. I think people know what they're going to expect when they get this car. It even comes with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, whichever one you got. This is something that I just found nice, and I think someone else might find nice as well. So yeah, this is the car. Like I said, about 75 on it. And like I said, as far as I know, everything works. I have had 0 issues on this car yet. Not going to try to jinx myself by talking about it so much. I have no idea if this car will give me the problems, because so far it has not. Guys, what do you think? Do you guys think it's going to make money? Do you think I'm going to make a lot of money with this car? Do you guys have a Turo car that you're getting, or are you guys working on your first Turo car as well? Are you getting yours soon? How's yours been doing? Drop it down in the comments. Let me know. I want to hear it, because I want to jump into this Turo community. I want to see what's going on. So guys, let me know.